Two project management giants, one showdown. Which platform truly helps you get things done? On the left, Smartsheet, the corporate spreadsheet powerhouse. And on the right, Freecamp, the flexible collaboration-first challenger. We're putting them through practical tests, ease of use, features, integrations, pricing, mobile experience, and much more. Let's skip the marketing fluff and see which tool really supports your workflow. Each category scores points, and by the finish, you'll know exactly who earned your trust. And trust us, the winner might just you earned your trust. And trust us, the winner might just surprise you, lets you down. Okay. Here's a mind map of everything we're going to look at. We'll compare price, features and integrations, security, user experience, and scalability. Basically, all the stuff you actually care about when you're picking a platform. First up, let's talk pricing. Smartsheet? Yeah, there's a free trial, but once that's over, things can get pricey, especially if your team's huge. Most of the real businessy features are locked behind paid tiers. Freecamp, on the other hand, honestly, it's kind of wild how much you get for free. The core stuff is solid, and even when you do pay, it's super affordable. Sure, some of the fancier features cost extra, but overall, Freecamp is a budget winner here. Next, features and integrations. If you're the type that nerds out over automation, oh boy, Smartsheet is your jam. Think robust reporting, resource management, and pretty much every integration you can imagine. Google, Office, Salesforce. But yeah, some of that power's behind a paywall. Classic. Meanwhile, Freecamp has all your basics covered. Tasks, file sharing, discussions. They even have an IRC-style chat for throwback vibes. Integrations? Good, but mostly Google Drive or Dropbox, and it's just not as deep as Smartsheet. When it comes to powerhouse features, Smartsheet takes the cake. Let's chat security and compliance because, not everyone's just swapping cat memes on these platforms. Smartsheet is serious. You've got SOC2, GDPR, HIPAA support, those classic audit logs, all the stuff that makes your company's lawyers happy. Heads up though, the controls can be kind of labyrinthine. Freecamp? Perfectly fine for basic data security. Two-factor authentication? No problem. But if you've got top secret projects, it's probably not the one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the very first spreadsheet, VisiCalc, actually changed how businesses ran way back in 1979? Pretty much the ancestor of all these platforms we're talking about. Now, user experience. This one's tougher. Smartsheet looks and feels like a spreadsheet, which, if you're an Excel wizard, is awesome. Dashboards are crisp, but newbies? It can be intimidating, honestly. Freecamp keeps things lighter, setup is human-friendly, onboarding is quick, and it's way more inviting for small teams. If you like playing with complex dashboards, Smartsheet delivers, but for most, Freecamp is just easier. Let's call it a draw. Alright, last up, scalability. If you're planning to go from garage startup to global domination, Smartsheet is built exactly for that. Thousands of users, granular permissions, and big picture resource planning. It'll handle whatever you throw at it. On the flip side, if you just want to get 10 people on a board and get stuff done fast, Freecamp's perfect. But it starts to creak if you try to scale past about 50 users. So, for long-term growth, Smartsheet is the clear winner. If you're more of a visual person, check this out. The radar chart makes it clear where each platform shines. You'll see Freecamp absolutely wipes the floor on pricing, but Smartsheet dominates things like features, security, and scaling. So overall, if you're running complex enterprise projects with loads of automations and need to tick all those compliance boxes, Smartsheet is the obvious choice. But if you're on a budget or just want something super simple for your team, Freecamp's value is tough to argue with. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more expert comparison guides. You never know which app will save your workflow next.